Welcome to my vlog, guys. Ayan. Finally, tutuloy na natin ang ating pagbubukas nitong ating alkansya. Ito yung tinatawag na Ipon Challenge. Come on! Tara guys, samahan nyo magbukas. Let's go!
Yeah. Team at 17. Damn.
So, ito nga, ayan, itong alkansya natin ay naumpisahan natin nung this year, ayan, January 2022. Ayan. Inipon ko to dahil sabi ko, bubuksan ko to ng bago mag New Year. Ayan, buksan natin to dahil mag New Year na. Tara guys, samahan nyo magbukas dahil mabigat to. Ito pala ay tag 20 pesos na coins na ipon ko. So, minsan, pag ako may sahod sa YouTube, naglalagay din ako rito. So, 12 months ko to naipon. Ayan, tingnan natin kung gaano kadami to. Ayan, bibili tayo kasi ng cellphone dahil New Year na para new cellphone. O, diba? Tara guys, ayan, let's go. Lagarin na natin to dahil mahirap to buksan. Lagari ang gagamitin natin. So, ewan ko anong gawa to. Hard. Ayan. Pero tara guys. So, ayan, ito na lagari natin. And ito yung alkansya. So, ito natin lagariin. Gawa pala ito sa karton. So, ayan, matigas. Hirap na magari. So, ayan, bukas na. Alright, ayan. So, ito ang ating ilagay natin dito sa ating tray. Uy, wala. So, yan, ay. So, meron pa pala. So, may mga papel-papel tayo rito. Ayan, wala nang laman sa loob. So, may mga papel-papel tayo na ipon dito. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Tara, bilangin natin. So, ayan sa lahat guys. Ayan, gan, parami. Ayan, hiwalay lang natin yung papel. Mamaya, hiwalay natin yung papel ko. Tapos, bibilangin natin sa lahat. So, ayan, ibunin natin yung mga buo. Ayan, naglalagay ako nito pag may sahod ako kahit paano sa YouTube. Drop tayo. Ayan, tatlo na ng 500. Ayan, punin natin. So, iwalay natin ito mamaya ang ang bills, ang papel sa coins. Ayan, huy, madami-dami ako naipon. Alright. Brand new phone na naman to. Okay. So, dito sa papel, bilangin natin guys. Ayan, 20. Ayan, palagay 50. Tawagin muna natin yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 5. 1, 3. 1, 2. Tama ba? Tama. 1, 2, no? 1, 7. And plus 500 is 22. 22 yung papel. Then ito, ayan, 2,220. Ayan, lahat guys, ang papel. So tara, tabi muna natin yan. And bilangin naman natin ang coins. Naku, marami-rami to. Tara, magbilang tayo. So ayan. Tayo natin guys ng tago 100. Ayan, 5. Marami-rami itong bilangan na to.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't
don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to say today, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible,
Ayan,
but
itong
they're
natula,
always
buta
possible.
apat.
If you just believe, you could be so.
And meron tayong 10 piso and piso. Ayan. So ito guys, bilangin natin. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and again, 44. Ayan guys, 44. So ayan siya guys, ayan 44 pieces, ayan tago 100 tong ano, nakatayo. So 44 pieces times 100. 4,000 sabi, 4,400.
Oh yeah.
And plus itong ano to? 1, 5 and 6 7, 8, 9, 10 2,040 plus 2,240. Ayan guys, ang naipon natin is 6,040. Yahoo! So yan, may pambili na tayo ng bagong cellphone. Ayan. So ito guys, ang naipon natin is total na is 6,640. So ayan po naipon natin ng this year ng 2022. So ayan, abangan natin ulit kung magkano naman maipon ko ng year 2023. Dahil maghanap tayo ulit ng alkansya. Pisa natin ulit mag-ipon. Ayan, di ko alam kung ano pa magiging next ano natin target, pero bahala na lang. So ayan. Ayan guys, and kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dyan, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye, salute! Bye-bye! So mag-aana pa pala ako dito magpapalit dahil mahirap naman ibayad to sa pagbili ng cellphone ko. Ito puro gintong coins ang ano natin, mapalit.